Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. If you are not, I hope you will enjoy this enough to subscribe to my channel. I like to do hauls, crafting, unboxings, just different things on this channel. Today I'm coming on to open my package from Laura's Plans and Crafts, and this is a prize that I won on her channel for her, I do believe it was her YouTube anniversary challenge. It was a celebrate theme that I entered. This is my prize package. Overlook my nails, they are terrible. I broke this one clear down to here. This is how much it's grown out since I broke it. Karma got me on this one. My puppy was outside the potty and she wasn't coming back inside, and I was afraid the raccoons were going to get her because we have raccoons that stay underneath my neighbors. My house sets way back, so my front yard is all the way up to the road, and then their backyards are in my front yard, and then my backyard is completely private, like it's like an oasis. There's nobody around, and my backyard is huge. But I don't want to take her out there at night. We have coyote that come up out of the woods, and I'm too scared to go out there by myself at nighttime. My husband's asleep, of course. He has to work early. So she wasn't coming back in quick enough. And I don't know how many of y'all wipe your dog's butts after they poo-poo, but I wipe her butt so she doesn't get it all over my house, of course, you know. So I had the baby wipes in my hand, and she wasn't coming, so I smacked the baby wipe on my hand, and then my fingernail bent clear back on the plastic piece where the baby wipe comes out, and it broke, split clear up the middle, clear up into this quick clear up here, and it hurt so bad. And so then I got it down, I cut it down, and then there was still a split there, so the more it grew out, then I had to cut it more because it was still split. It hurt so bad. So I'm not going to paint my nails and then just have that little nub there. So I probably TMI, but I just thought I'd share with you why it looks so bad. But karma, shouldn't have been trying to scare my dog back inside, but I didn't want the raccoons to attack her either, right? So anywho, Laura, thank you for sending this to me. I'm so excited to see what's in here. I don't know. I do know that it's like a card kit, but I'm not sure which one, and so I'm excited to see that. I've had this for a little while. Of course, you all know I'm behind on everything because I had the babies here and my niece for a couple weeks. So this is what she has sent. Oh, that's a Spellbinders Clubs. Creativity starts here. Spellbinderspaperarts.com. I've never had. I don't think I own anything that is Spellbinders except for maybe a couple dies that I bought on an online YouTube sale. Oh, so we'll open this first. Thank you so much. If you don't know Laura, I will for sure link her channel in the description, and I will also at her in the title. You should definitely go check her channel out. She's so sweet and crafty. So let's read her card first. How she packaged everything, so neat. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get to the card first. Thank you. Look how gorgeous this is. This is embossed. Oh, Laura, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much too. You know, we all, when you get with people and you just mix, and you know, you know, and I like Laura a lot. She's a good person. Thank you so much, Laura. I appreciate you too. Oh my goodness, I can't even wait to see what this is. She's so crafty. Oh, what is this called? What is this? This is a bag, but this is called something, the bag. I can't remember what she called this. She made these on her channel, and I definitely am going to try to make these. What are these called? A product bag? No, not a product bag. I can't remember. I wish I could remember what she called this. Hopefully she'll tell us in the comments. Oh, look how gorgeous this absolutely is. This bow, this butterfly, that's gorgeous. I think she got this on Temu, but I'm not sure. Oh, this is gorgeous. And what did she put in here? Oh, some gems. There's some heart gems and some other gems. Thank you so much. And then, oh, some little wood die cuts. The flower, a butterfly, a mushroom, an owl, a cloud, a little house, a music note, a camera. Oh, thank you. These are so cute. Dream big. Look at this gorgeous butterfly. Gorgeous. This is so pretty. I just love how things can be so simple and so beautiful at the same time. Look at that. My goodness, Laura, what a great idea. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't have anything like this at all. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you. I don't have anything like that at all. And these bags are just amazing. I will link the tutorial to this bag in my description in case you're interested in that, well, with her name. So that way you can go right to this, because look how gorgeous these are. Look at these pearls around here. Beauty. Oh, I just love this collection too. This is beautiful. This is a great idea. Oh, look. Oh, look at that. Let's Get Crafty by Simple Stories. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Laura. That is so sweet. Oh, I love this. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. How sweet. How sweet. Oh my gosh. I just love these. What a gift. Read my lipstick. And then she's got some ribbon trim down here. This is a piece of what I sent you, I think, in my entry. How sweet is that to be incorporated in something you sent me back? Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, those are so cute. Look at those glitter flowers. And then some of this Dollar Tree heart ribbon lace. Oh my goodness. Oh, Laura, thank you so much. I love them. Thank you. I love everything. Everything's so useful and pretty. Those bags. I just love those bags. Okay, so this is what the prize was. And I think I was the 4th place prize winner. She had six. I can't wait to see what's in here. You are stellar. Oh, look at this package of die cut shapes. Wow, that's a big package. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, this is perfect. You are magical. Oh, and I really don't have a whole lot of ephemeris, so this is perfect. Oh, I like this a lot. Your purpose is to shine your light as bright and beautiful as only you can. That is so fun. Just be yourself. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love these little tags. Thanks for being you. You are loved. We shine together. Look at those little hearts. Best day in the universe. Oh, so cute. You are the sweetest dream. Oh, isn't that so cute? Oh, I love this heart with these little stars. You've got the magic in you. The future is in our hands. It is written in the stars. Oh, I just love this. This is so fun. A cute little postcard. How cute is this whole little collection here? Little tickets or tags. Yeah, tickets. How I wonder what you are. Oh, that's cute. The stars, they shine for you. Oh, dreamer. Love is all you need. All you need is love is all you need. That's cute. Grateful for life and its magic. All those cute little tape measures. Oh, the kitties. This moment was, oh, you can check the box. Oh, remember writing those notes. Do you like me? Check yes or no. Make a wish. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you, Laura. This is a nice little box. You got some pop, what are these called? Pop-up, pop-tap? You know, I lost for words. Oh, some sequins. Oh, some foam tape. Stamps, sparkle, like the star you are. Sparkle, like the star, like, oh, you were born to shine. Thank you, you're magic. You make my world bright. There's nothing little about the light you shine. Be bright, be happy, be you. Oh, this is so pretty. Sparkle and shine. I love that. Oh, and then here's a die. Oh, stars. And then the moon. I'm not sure what that says. I'm not sure what that says. Oh, and then here's some like thickers. Dream big, you shine, magical day, make a wish. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, I don't know what these are called, but they're like oh, what is this? Not acrylic, maybe acrylic. And then it's got all the like Aquarius, what, constellations. And then here's some stickers. That's really pretty. This is really cute. I like this. I like these colors. I like purple. That's a nice kit. Then it has a paper pad in it. It's really pretty. And then you have your envelopes and card bases. And then you just have some different plain cardstock. Oh, some pretty gold cardstock. Oh, that's pretty. That's a nice little box. Thank you so much, Laura. What a great prize. I am so thrilled that I won. Thank you so much for sending this to me and all the extra goodies. And make sure you all go check out Laura's channel. You will enjoy her channel. And I will link that video to these bags. What is this called? I can't, wish I could tell you. I'm so sorry. But if you watch the video, then she'll tell you what the name of the bags are in there. I wish I could remember. I'm so sorry. All right. I appreciate y'all coming to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you and your family are having a great time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.